What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the Porter cable brand of brad nails. This set has the variety pack where you got the 3/4. Yeah, you have the 3/4 brads, you have the 1 1/4 brads, and then you have the 2-inch brads. So right now on this review, I will not show you having them shot in, but this is the brand that I usually order. So I ran out of the 3/4, so I ran out of all of them, but as you can see, they fit in there very nice. Got the 2-inch, 2-inch fits in there very perfect. And then we have the 3/4. Everything fits in very perfect. I use these to put my acoustic panels together, so these work well. So I just wanted to do a little quick review to show y'all that. If y'all want to see them shot in, let me know. I'm not going to put that one on this. This is just a quick review to show y'all that this is worth getting. This is a brand that I usually get when it comes to brad nails, and that's it. Other than that, like, comment, and please subscribe.